Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into the world of kitchen innovation with a game changer for home cooks, the Instant Pot Duo Crisp Ultimate Lid. This isn't just any ordinary kitchen gadget. It's a 13-in-1 powerhouse that combines air frying and pressure cooking in one sleek device. Imagine sautéing, slow cooking, baking, roasting, and even dehydrating, all in a single pot. With 6.5 quarts of capacity, it's perfect for family meals. And the built-in app offers over 800 recipes to keep things exciting. Pressure cooker, air fryer, slow cooker, steamer, sauté pan, food warmer, roaster, mini oven, broiler, dehydrator, yogurt maker, sous vide, and bread proofing. Single lid works for all cooking programs, including pressure cooking and air frying. The only multi-cooker with step-by-step cooking instructions on a large LCD display. Steam release button on control panel, and OK to open lid notification, plus easy-to-use lock-unlock switch. Advanced steam release technology is super quiet. EvenCrisp airflow gives you the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with 95% less oil. Up to 70% faster pressure cooking than other cooking methods. Protective inner cover keeps the air frying element clean and safe from splashes during pressure cooking. Dishwasher safe cooking pot, steaming air frying rack and pressure cooking cover.